Hi, I'm Johnny O'Mara, Rokform ambassador for 7 years now, and most people know me from my motocross supercross background where I was multi-time champion, and then when I retired I moved on to the mountain bike discipline at the cross country level and was fortunate to be national champion multi-time again, and then as I sit today I'm a product developer for Rokform. I want to introduce you to our new 4th generation Rokform bike mount. Obviously I've done a lot of R&D on this and super proud of it. So the improvements we made are the new rock lock on the top there. Before it was plastic, it's all aluminum. It's a little longer, which I like personally a little bit better. It just eliminates any thinking that you might hit your knee or something on your phone. The magnets increased in size, so there's more power tools in here, and it's packaged beautifully. Let me show you how it's installed. A little Allen wrench, which I got my personal bike here today. I'm just taking the top cap off. Like a road bike or a mountain bike can be the same. Just get that off there. I got a couple carbon spacers I'm just leaving on there. That'll always be a little bit different with everybody's head tube length. So my bike's pretty aggressive on the stem, so which is why we make it swivel. So it's super simple, super stable. Like this, we're always looking for it to be as stable as possible. We don't want the thing bouncing around. That's good there. Got my phone here, and we have the lanyard or leash for that extra protection. I've never had mine fall off, but it's still nice to have on there for security reasoning. And that magnet, just that you feel it just grabs, so maybe just have to find that one spot. Pops in there, things on there. Super strong, love the way it looks, proud of it. Done a lot of work on that. I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I do.